In this video, I'm going to show you how to array an object along a curve in Blender. First, open Blender and add a curve. Just press Shift and A on your keyboard and hover over curve, and you can choose any curve. I'm just gonna go with a Bezier curve, or if I'm pronouncing it right, so I'll just add it and just press S on my keyboard to scale it to my liking, like so. And after I have scaled it, I'll just go to the top view by just clicking on Z, and I'll just go to the edit mode by just pressing tab key on my keyboard, and from here just select a point and just press G on your keyboard to move them. And let's say I want to change another point, I'll just click on another point and press R to rotate it, like so. So in my case, I'm just gonna rotate it like so. And once you are happy with the shape, just go to object mode by just pressing the tab key on your keyboard, and now add an object that you want to repeat. So in my case, I'm just gonna add a cube. I'll just press Shift A and mesh, and I will add a cube. I'll just press S to resize it, or I can just go to the resize at the bottom and resize the scale from here also. But once I'm happy with the shape, I'll just select the cube and go to the modifier tab. And after you are in the modifier, just click on add modifier and go to generate and go to array. And after you have added array, just click on the drop down for shape and just choose curve, and just click on the curve object and click on the picker icon and pick your curve, which in my case it's going to be this, and you will see we have successfully curved it. Now we can increase the number of count by just clicking and dragging at the right hand side, and you will see we will successfully add more object in our curve. Or you can also use this particular handle like so, and you can increase or decrease number of object. You can also sort it by distance. When you drag this handle like so, you will see the distance in the distance tab. You can also toggle on align rotation, and that's it. That's how you array an object along a curve in Blender. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.